Hi, Snowcastle Cats here. How are you doing? Thanks for waiting for us to move to Thailand to see some more cat videos, and I hope you enjoyed the ones I posted previously, the pre-recorded ones. So here we are in Thailand. I'm in Bangkok now, and we're relaxing in the park in the morning for a cup of iced coffee. And today we're going to go and visit our cats. So come along for the ride. It should be good fun. So we've just arrived at Cats Gym Hotel in Thailand. The regulations on these masks are still in force, that's why we're wearing them a lot everywhere. Okay guys, the moment we've all been waiting for, let's go and see the cats. Here we go. Wow.
Hello.
Hello guys.
Fluffy.
Wow.
It's Kim. Brittany.
Where's where is
Brit over there.
Brittany.
Brett.
Wow.
Hey.
There's Fee. Maybe it's because I'm wearing a mask. Hello Fee. Oh look, there's May and Toby. Hello May. Wow. We've come to see you. Toby. May. Hello guys. Toby. Look at this little one. Look how big Jackson's grown. Do you recognise him? Look, it's Jackson.
May.
May. Look, he's a big boy now. Look at him. He's grown so big. Hello, Tobe.
Top.
Hello, May. Look at May. Come say hi.
Yeah.
Wow, so this is amazing, isn't it? Look, she's grown her hair back.
Fluff คิดถึงแม่ไหมลูก
Fluff, there's Fluffy.
Fluffy อันนี้บริตนี่ค่ะบริตนี่พี่จุ๋ม
Let Jackson play.
แล้วพี่
the bit ma.
บิ๊กมาลืมแล้วเห็นไหม
Fluffy. It's Fluffy.
Fluffy.
Hello, Fluffy. Hello, Fluff. Oh, I think she remembers me.
Yeah, I think Fluffy remember.
Remember me, don't you, Fluff?
Roxy, mommy here.
Hey. Oh, let's kiss him.
ดีใจ
Brit. Hello, Brit. Hello, girl. Have you missed us then, Brit? Have you?
มีคนดีใจเหนือ
Hey.
แล้วออกมาได้ไหมพี่โทบ้างพี่โทออกมาลูก
Oh, Kim.
พี่โทออกมา
Hello. I see you've made yourself at home then, haven't you?
โอ้โห
Wow.
ไม่เจอกันนานใช่ไหม
มาเมย์คืนทุกตาก่อนลูก
What a great hotel. What a fantastic hotel. Hello, Fluffy. Hello, Fluff. Did you wonder where you were? Eh? You came a few weeks ahead of us. We've been so busy moving to Thailand. Logistically, it's a huge project. Hello. Hello, May.
ยังไงลูกพี่โทไม่สนใจ
Yes. So these cats will be coming back with us very soon. We need to go to our new house in Chatham, which is about 3 hours from Bangkok, set up their new rooms. We're going to have sort of our own design made, and then we'll come back for them. So today is just a visit.
เอาสิ
They won't be actually coming with us, won't be coming home with us today, but as you can see they're perfectly fine and healthy and happy.
โดดได้